Hey everyone, it's Angela here from Cornerstone Auto, and today I am going to show you the all-new 2021 Kia K5. Now the K5 is a sporty mid-size sedan which is based off of the Kia Stinger's performance line. It's going to be replacing the Kia Optima for the 2021 model year. Making our way up to the front here, as you can see, it does have a very bold new sedan look. You have your LED headlamps as well as a variety of safety features that come standard on the K5, including your blind spot monitoring, your rear camera, your driver alert, your rear occupant alert, just to name a few that are included in the package. Now you do have, with the performance lines, 2 turbo engines. You have a 1.6 liter turbo and a 2.5 liter turbo. There are 5 different trim levels available in the K5. You have your LX, your LXS, your EX, and then on your performance line, you have your GT and your GT line. So today we are looking at the GT line, which is about a mid-trim level. And as you can see here, when I open the door, we do have the red GT line interior package. So that's gonna give us some red accents as well as the red seats with black accents. It also comes with the GT line emblem stitched on the driver and passenger side. Now the passenger side is manually adjusting, but you can upgrade to the power adjusting with the heated and ventilated seats. Now we have an 8-inch Kia Uvo system, and we're gonna touch on that technology shortly. One of the other really cool upgrades we did is we have the K5 kick plate. Now taking a look at the passenger side here, in the back, we do have a 60/40 bench split with 2 USB outlets available for your passengers in back. This particular vehicle isn't equipped, but you can upgrade to the panoramic sunroof. Then I'll show you how the seats fold down so you are able to gain access to the cargo area in the trunk. Now making our way to the back of the vehicle here. As I mentioned, your rear camera does come standard, and then we do have dual exhausts that are chrome tipped. Taking a look at the trunk, as you can see, there is quite a bit of cargo space back here. Down below you will find a spare tire as well as a little bit of extra storage. Now with the K5 you can upgrade to the Bose premium audio system, and you also have the option of getting an all-wheel drive. Making our way over to the wheels, this particular one has the 18-inch sport alloy wheels. We have anywhere from 16 to 18-inch wheels available for the K5. Just so you can have another look at the back seat here. Now this key does have the automatic start available for you. And then as long as this key is within 3 feet of the driver or passenger side door, you will be able to gain access. On the side mirrors here, you will see the indicator for your blind spot monitoring. Taking a look at the driver's side, we do have power adjusting seats for the driver. You have the option of upgrading to heated and ventilated seats. To the left of the steering wheel, you will see that you have the ability to turn off your lane departure as well as your traction control. So let's jump on in and check out the inside. So here we are on the inside of the K5. For 2021, it is going to be replacing the Optima, but as you can see, it has a very stylish interior. We are in the middle trim level, but it is very comfortably equipped. Some of those options that we do have in this is going to be your auto dimming rear view mirror. And down below that, we have our 8-inch Kia Uvo system. So this is the main screen. In your all menus, you are going to find your Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. With the K5, those are now available via Bluetooth instead of hardwired in. You also have your media outlets, a favorite screen, and your radio controls. With the K5, you have 4 different drive modes. You have normal, sport, custom, and smart mode. With the 2.5 liter turbo engine, you do have the Smart Plus mode instead of the Smart mode. Down below the screen, you have your dual zone climate control, and as I had mentioned earlier, you can upgrade to the heated and ventilated seats. Below that, you have your 12-volt outlet, a USB outlet, as well as a fast charging outlet, and you can upgrade to the wireless charging station for compatible phones. We do have an automatic transmission with some of our ability to do our own manual shifting. And then making our way over to the steering wheel here, you do see that it has a nice flat bottom, which is similar for the performance aspect. On this side here, you have your voice commands, your phone connectivity. This mode is to switch through your radio. And then on this side, you have your cruise control, as well as your lane following assist, which keeps you in the center lane that you have the ability to turn on and off. Here you have your button to change your driver information center up top. So you have your digital speedometer, as well as your tire pressure. Then you have your fuel economy, driver information, drive mode. You have some of your available safety features and your user settings. Now, like I had mentioned, we are in the GT line, which is the middle of the trim level for the K5, but as you can see, it is very comfortably equipped, but we do have some options of some different upgrades if that's what you're looking for. If you want to take one for a test drive, or if you have any questions, give us a call at 763-710-8300, and don't forget to check us out at cornerstoneauto.com.